Missy MacArthur has been the mayor of Reading for about 6 months, and when she's not acting as mayor, she's a member of many North State committees. She's even the co-owner of the undefeated semi-pro football team, the Reading Heat. But when she's not out in the community or cheering on the sidelines, this mayor likes to spend her time at home. In part 2 of our special report, Meet Your Mayor, I show you how this mayor spends very quiet time away from the hustle and bustle of leading the North State's biggest city.
All those in favor? Aye. Opposed? Passes unanimously.
Reading Mayor Missy MacArthur has been at the city's helm for just 6 months, but this Reading native's love for her hometown runs deep.
To me, this is the most beautiful view in Reading. You capture the Sacramento River, Mount Bali, and the city lights, and of course the Sundial Bridge. You know, that iconic structure is just amazing to look at every day. So I would say it's just home.
A proud graduate of Shasta High School, MacArthur remained committed to education here in the North State. Having worked as a teacher in the Shasta Union High School District, she also was on the Shasta College Board of Trustees and sits on the Presidential Advisory Board at Chico State.
My mom was a teacher, so again, I value education and literacy very much.
And just as MacArthur is committed to education, she is perhaps even more dedicated to her community, having served on the boards and committees of about 20 North State organizations. But what does she do outside of her civic duties? For one, if you've spoken to her for more than a few minutes, her abundant pride, love, and devotion to her son becomes very apparent.
My son is a Chico State junior in civil engineering, so I spend time down there some. And I have my pets and lots of friends.
And so, most importantly, perhaps,
well, for my quiet time, yes, I do puzzles.
Hundreds upon hundreds of puzzles. From jigsaws to crosswords, Mayor MacArthur finds quiet time away from her problem solving for the city, solving problems of a much smaller degree, piece by piece, in solitude.
It started when my mom and I were together, which she passed when I was 13, so we did puzzles together, and I've just always continued to do puzzles. I use it for thinking time. I don't really have to think, but I'm doing something with my hands. Other people knit, crochet.
She says the harder puzzles typically take her a few hours. I wish I could say the same for myself. After a few minutes, which felt like a few hours, it was a slightly different story for me.
You were saying this needs to be like a pink arm, and a purplish gray arm, so I need to look for those 3.
Right, in that
But
shape.
They're all that color.
But my cameraman Rick had much better luck.
No, you did not.
Put it in.
No, you did not. Oh, now that's just obnoxious.
Good job, Rick.
Do you find that your puzzle abilities somehow translate to your being a mayor, your problem-solving skills?
Oh, I'm
maybe?
sure. I've always been a linear thinker.
She's a linear thinker who spends her time focused on what comes next for herself and for her city.
So I'm hoping that the economy is going to be turned around. If anything I can do to help that, I'm there.
Maybe you just need to sit down with a good puzzle. Get those
figure it out.
Missy MacArthur will be mayor until this December. She was elected to the Reading City Council back in 2008. Tomorrow night, join us for our final installment when I introduce you to your Oroville mayor and show you how she's taken her painful past and is turning it into a promising future.